You can install Kurator from the Chrome Web Store. After you add Kurator to your browser, you will land on the sign up page. If you're here for the first time, you need to register. And after you register, you need to activate your Kurator account. Then you can come back and sign in to your Kurator app. When you sign in, you see a default folder. The first thing we recommend is for you to pin your browser tab so that it's always accessible on the left-hand side. You then need to add the Kurator icon to your toolbar so that you can easily curate any page that you like to add to your Kurator. Next, we want to show you how to create folders. I'm going to call this one my research. You can create as many folders as you wish. You can also import your Chrome bookmarks easily from the drop-down menu. You can see here are all of the Chrome bookmarks. They don't have any titles or descriptions. You need to go in there and modify that. Next, we're going to show you how to curate. You simply click on the Kurator icon. You first have to select where you want to save it. It scans for images. Now you can modify the description, add important meta information like the publisher and content tags, and the author information as well. For articles, it's really important. When you save it, you can see that the icon changes colors, and here is the link that we just curated to my research in your Kurator app. This is how easy it is to get started with Kurator.